welcome to Indian Drives. My name is Yash, and in this video, we bring you this week's news from our automotive industry. Before we begin with this week's news roundup, do click the bell button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our daily uploads. MG Gloster celebrates its first anniversary in India. The flagship SUV from MG, the Gloster, celebrates its first anniversary in India. Launched as the first SUV in its segment with Level 1 autonomous driving assist features, the Gloster was offered with segment-first features and premium touches like adaptive cruise control and tan leather upholstery. The Gloster is powered by a 2-liter turbo engine that produces 215 horsepower and 480 Nm of torque, which is paired with the 8-speed automatic gearbox which comes standard across variants. The Gloster comes with 7 driving modes to change the driving dynamics of the SUV according to the terrain. While the basic modes being Sport and Eco, to tackle the harsh off-road terrains, there are Snow, Sand, Mud and Rock mode available. The Gloster comes in 4 variants: Super, Sharp, Smart and the top end, Savvy. The top-end variant of the Gloster is priced at ₹37.6 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Although with its long extensive list of comfort and driving features, it has not been able to come close to the segment leaders in terms of sales. With Ford Endeavour no more in the game, let's see whether the Gloster is able to expand its presence in the segment or not. Hyundai India initiated a customer drive program, the Hyundai Explorers. Hyundai has initiated an SUV-based customer drive program, the Hyundai Explorers. The first edition of the event was flagged off from the capital, New Delhi, to Rishikesh. 48 customers took part in this drive with their Hyundai SUVs, the Creta, Venue, Alcazar, Kona and Tucson. The itinerary consisted of a 3-day and 2-night expedition drive with activities like river rafting, riverside yoga, barbecues and karaoke nights. Hyundai says it will be implementing such expeditions consistently to bring together adventure-seeking enthusiasts and like-minded explorers. Nexzu launches its electric cycle, the Roadlark, with 100 kilometers of range. Nexzu, an e-mobility brand, launches their new e-cycle, the Roadlark. The electric cycle comes with an impressive mileage of 100 kilometers in a single charge. The Roadlark can sprint to a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour and is equipped with 2 batteries, out of which one is detachable. The e-cycle comes with dual disc brakes for a safe riding experience, and the brakes are powered by a 250-watt 36-volt BLDC motor. On the launch of the e-cycle, Mr. Pankaj Tiwari, the Chief Marketing Officer for Nexzu brand, commented that this product is sure to boost e-cycle adoption and is promising innovation that can replace petrol scooters and mopeds in the years to come. Nexzu has also designed a cargo version of the e-cycle to promote the sales of the product in B2B space, mainly targeting delivery companies. The brand is consistently increasing its touchpoints in India, and as of now, they have dealerships in cities like Madurai, Gurugram, Vijaypura, Ahmedabad, Ballabgarh, and states like Telangana and Chhattisgarh. The e-cycle can also be purchased directly from the company's e-commerce platform, Nexzu.in, for a doorstep delivery across India. Gran Turismo's Michelin Cup comes to India. Michelin, in partnership with PlayStation and Gran Turismo, has exciting news for gamers in India as they bring their Michelin Cup to our country. Registrations for the first week of race began on 29th of November and will end on 5th of December. And the registration for the second week of race will begin on 6th of December and close on 12th of December. All the players can register for this leaderboard-based racing game tournament where 12 finalists from South Africa, India and other countries will compete against each other on track for the Michelin Cup. The prize pool for the event is $40,000 for the first prize, $20,000 for second, and $15,000 for the third prize. Tata Motors delivers 60 ultra-urban electric buses to Ahmedabad. Under the FAME 2 initiative by the Gross Cost Contract with Ahmedabad Janmarg Limited, Tata Motors delivered 60 urban electric buses in Gujarat. The buses were flagged off by the Honorable Chief Minister and Mayor of Gujarat. The 24-seater electric bus will be used on the Ahmedabad Bus Rapid Transit System corridor, catering to the developing areas and the airport route. The Tata Ultra Urban 9x9 AC electric bus is powered by full electric drivetrain with maximum power output of 328 horsepower and 3000 Newton meters of torque. The bus is offered with an automatic transmission to provide a hassle-free city driving experience. Tata Motors has consistently been working towards alternate fuel technology, including electric, hybrid, CNG, LNG, and hydrogen fuel cell technology. The company has already received an order to provide 15 hydrogen fuel cell buses to Indian Oil Corporation. Until date, Tata Motors has supplied more than 600 electric buses across cities in India, which have cumulatively clocked more than 20 million kilometers. If you like our content, do like this video as it really makes a difference to us and motivates us to bring you new content every day.